What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro?
Yo,
Respect the G.
what's going on?
Not much, man.
Yeah, I'm here to see the bad machine, you know? Everybody's been talking about it. Yeah? So what's so special about this car, you know? Like, you know, I want you to tell me about this car, because like, a lot of people been talking about this car.
Well,
I know it's a Honda Civic.
Yeah.
That is a 9 gen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's like, what year is that?
2012.
2012, alright.
Yeah.
So,
Why it gets talked about a lot?
yeah.
Because it's supercharged and people doubted it. you know?
Supercharged?
Yes.
Okay.
A lot of people thought it wouldn't make no numbers, but I had to kind of prove them wrong, you know?
So what's the numbers on this one?
456, 300 torque.
456, 300 torque.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Wow. So show me some more.
All right.
Because I'm very intrigued right now. Explain all this to me, because I'm not used to it. You know, I'm a
All right.
boost guy.
So, this is the Kraftwerks kit. Of course, I had to do some custom shit. The blow-off valve system that came with it, it seized on me for some reason. So I had to go custom and get me a tile blow-off valve.
Okay.
It actually performs better. Actually performs a lot better.
Okay.
Then I did the head swap, which is not really done on 9 gens.
So hold on. You have your engine is
The K24
Right.
Z7.
okay. K24 Z7.
Yeah,
so
so
you only
now-
did head work though. You
Yeah.
don't did anything on the bottom.
No,
Oh,
no
so
bottom
stock.
work. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's an unsure build to us.
Right. So it's like a trial and error thing.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
exactly.
So you're like the guinea pig on everything. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
because even my tuner, shout
Right.
out to Happy Tune, you know what I'm
See,
saying?
big up Hobby too.
You know, it's still something in the works.
Right.
We're not sure what this setup can do. It probably could make more or
Right.
so, but we're just keeping it safe.
Okay.
You know? So for now, like for example, you'd have to build it like an all motor setup. You want more power, especially if you're doing stuff to the block.
Right.
You have to up the compression, but
So
Yeah.
so how does this work now? Like, all right, I know with the turbocharge, you know,
Yeah.
put on turbo and you just turn up boost and get a
Yeah.
good tune. How does this work?
All right.
All right, because normally how much this engine would come from factory, like with the setup you have with the head work,
Yeah.
and just manifold, how much would it make?
all right, so with the head work, without the supercharger and stuff,
Yeah.
I would see probably 270
Okay.
all motor. So now with this, I get a couple
So you're
more
making
horses.
almost 200.
Exactly. So I'm getting a couple
Wow.
more horses. But with the turbo where you just up the boost, for
Yeah.
me to up the boost, I gotta change the pulley.
Okay.
So I change the
Oh,
pulley.
so every time you want to go
Yeah,
more
you
power.
downsize.
Okay.
So
Oh, you get a
downsize-
smaller pulley.
yeah.
Oh, not a bigger pulley,
Yeah.
smaller.
So now
Okay.
with this, I did.
And this is in Kraftwerks.
Yeah, it's the same Kraftwerks. I can get another pulley and I know I can crack the 500,
Right.
but it puts this at risk, you know?
Okay.
So,
Yo.
for now, I'll leave it right there.
And you did some work to the transmission as well, right?
Yes, I just put M factory. So M factory gears.
So basically 1 to 2 to 3 kind of closer, and then 4 a little bit longer.
Yeah, I've made sure.
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, it's the MR2.
That's an MR2, yeah, Mr. MR2, yeah.
Yeah. So
How
I
much-
make sure the gears are like close ratio.
Okay.
But
Okay.
when I did the final drive, you can't really tell until I squeeze it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see some pulls of this.
Let's go! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Man! Hell yeah!
What tires you running on this?
R888s.
Okay. And
Yeah,
the
so-
wheels are 18?
17. 17
Okay.
by 9s.
What kind of wheels are these?
Work equips.
Oh, work. Okay.
Yeah. So I dropped them down to 20 psi. Of course, it's gonna get extra grip now.
Yeah, of
Went
course.
for a pull, 4th gear shredded.
Yeah. And I see you still keep it stock, you know,
Yeah.
no bucket seats and all that. You keep it. No back seat, of course. And of
Yeah.
course, your fire extinguisher is a must.
Exactly.
Safety first. Any future plans?
I was thinking something crazy. They have the race Supercharger for Kraftwerks, but it goes where the AC compressor goes.
So it'll be an AC delete?
Yeah, so
In Florida?
no, I'm not gonna do that. You need the AC in Florida.
No, trust me.
So I'm about to talk to Kraftwerks, see if I can mount the race one up top.
Okay. You'd have to do
I have to cut a hole. Then it can see past 5, no problem.
okay. With the same stock bottom end?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if I boost it right now, I have way more torque.
Way more torque.
Yeah.
You'd have traction problem.
Yup.
Gotcha.
So now if the tires are warm, I can hook mid-second gear.
You ever do a dig before?
Yeah.
What's your best? With this setup?
Yeah.
What's
I did
your
it-
best?
I never, it was on the street.
Oh, okay,
On the
okay.
street. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Like, love your car, man. And
Thanks,
trust me,
bro.
love the passion, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Trust me, I appreciate you, like, having me come over and look at your car and everything.
No
Big
problem,
up,
bro.
Respect every time.
Anytime, bro.
Yeah, bro.